where you have different let me just click on album now so I show you. So now I'm just gonna click on album so you see what happens. Just to show you, I'm not doing anything today, I'm just want to show you how it goes. You can see you can do so, and then you can decide the price you want to have for the album. It's just like every other like DistroKid and such. And you can actually decide here as well where you want to receive your money at. If someone decides to buy your album, where the money goes to, it can go to your PayPal account or whatever. That is easy. And for each track you can select here. Yeah, you can select from each track here where you want to upload. And as a track, you can just simply click on track like I did now, and then you can see how to add your song here. You have up to 291 megabyte maximum. That is cool. So you can decide, you can click on that and then you make the details, and then you can decide the price you want to have for each song. Yeah, so that's really cool. You can add your cover art here. And that was it for today. Please consider clicking on the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and if you like this video, please click on the thumbs up and let us know in the comment section if you have other questions or concerns that you want us to treat in this channel.
Sleepless boy.
Sometimes I feel like I'm never enough, but I still try, cause I just wanna be loved. But what can make me happy, I don't know, maybe drugs. It's okay if you leave me, maybe I'm not the one. Maybe I'm not the one for you, babe, you, babe. Maybe I'm not the one for you, babe, you, babe. I fucked up time and time again. I know I'm closer to the end, and I think I deserve enough